Hello children, take out your maths rehearse book and open page number 61. Here is worksheet number 3 of lesson number 9, how many times. Question first is, multiply the following numbers. First is 15 multiplied by 5. Now write down the sum in this way and then start doing multiplication. First multiply 5 with this 5 and then next step is multiply 5 with this 1. So start counting table of 5 up to 5 and 5 5s are 25. Write down 5 here and carry 2 at tens column. Now 5 into 1 is 5 and add this carry 2 in that 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So write here 7 means 15 multiplied with 5 we get answer as 75. So write down here answer 75. Next sum is 92 multiplied with 7. First step is multiply number 7 with 2. And we know 7 2s are 14. Next step is multiply number 7 with 9. So children, start counting table of 7 up to 9. And 7 9s are very good 63. And add this carry 1 in 63. And write down here 64 means 92 multiplied with 7 we get answer 644. So write here answer 644. Children, remaining 2 sums are homework for you. Next question is fill in the blanks. First sum is 5 multiplied with dash is equal to 25. Here we have to find out which number we multiplied with 5 to get answer as 25. So children, we know 5 5s are 25. So write here 5. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Next sum is dash multiplied with 4 is equal to 40. Here again we have to find out which number we multiplied with 4 to get answer as 40. So if we multiplied 10 with 4 we get answer as 40. 10 4s are 40. Next sum is dash multiply with dash is equal to 16. Here we have to find out 2 numbers which multiplied with each other to get answer as 16. So children, if we multiplied 8 with 2, 8 2s are 16. So write here 8 multiplied with 2 is equal to 16. And children, 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 4 4s are 16. It's your choice to write down any 2 numbers as an answer. Next is 4 2s equal to how much? And we know 4 2s are 8. Right here answer 8. Next is 3 5s equal to dash. Right here 15. 3 5s are 15. 2 thrice is equal to 6. Next question is count and write the numbers of objects in each set. In first sum, here are 2 sets of books and each set having 7 books. So 2 multiplied with 7 is equal to 14 books. So 2 into 7 is equal to 14. Here are 4 branches of tree and on each branch there are 5 birds are sitting. So 4 into 5 is equal to 20 birds. In this picture, here are 5 plants which having 2 flowers, and 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So here total number of flowers are 10. In question number 4, here we have to find out the correct answer from the given option. 983 multiplied with 3. In this way, write down the sum and start doing multiplication. First step is multiply number 3 with this 3, and we know 3 3s are 9. Right here 9. Then multiply number 3 with this 8. Children, start counting table of 3 up to 8. 3 8s are 24. So write here 4 and carry 2 at hundreds column. Now multiply number 3 with number 9, and 3 9s are 27. And add this carry 2 in 27. And write here 29. Answer of this sum is 2949. So tick on 2949. Next sum is 850 multiplied with 0. Children, we know if we multiplied any number with 0, we get answer as 0. So tick here on 0. Children, question number 5 and question number 6 is homework for you. Thank you for today's period.